Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok not uploading videos. So first of all, after you open up your TikTok, as you can see now, to fix this option, this problem of not uploading video on TikTok, all you have to do now, just tap on, as you can see now, tap on your profile like this one. If you open up your profile, as you can see now, most of the time the video that has not been uploaded on your TikTok account, they'll be showing in this section, as you can see now. But if you start uploading your video and the video after started uploading, then the video is stuck at some point. So to fix this problem, all you have to do now, the first option is tap on, as you can see now, go and disconnect your internet connection. As you can see now, if you are using Wi-Fi or if you are using data of your phone, just go and disconnect the internet connection and make sure to turn on the airplane mode. As you can see now, here is airplane mode. Make sure to turn it on, as you can see now. So just open up the airplane mode of your phone and turn it on. So, and after you turn the airplane mode, as you can see now, just make sure to wait it for like 5 to 10 seconds. After you wait it for 5 to 10 seconds, and go and turn off the airplane mode like this one, and make sure to turn on your mobile internet. So after you do that, all you have to do now, go and start uploading your video again and cancel the one that is uploading and start from the scratch. Start uploading the video. After you start uploading the video, now your internet connection will be stronger than the previous one, so now your video will be uploaded without any problem. That's it guys on how to fix this problem. All you have to do now, just go and turn on the internet connection and turn on the airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, just turn off the airplane mode and start uploading your videos. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.